Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to add transition. So to do this I will add two footage and now add them in the timeline. Add them in the timeline. Now if you want to add transition, go to the transition section and add the right one. Just drag and drop it like this. You can increase the duration. Go to the animation and select zoom in. Go to the out option and then select zoom in. So in this way you can also add transition. It will work like transition. So that's it. Now you can export the video.